Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best friendship bracelet kit is probably one of the most fun and creative activities for girls aged 10 to 12. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kit that promises hours of crafting fun, allowing you to create beautiful, personalized bracelets to share with friends. We'll explore everything from the materials and ease of use to the final results, so you can decide if this kit is the perfect choice for your next crafting adventure. Number 5. Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Introducing the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Kit. It's packed with everything you need to create stunning bracelets and jewelry. This kit is perfect for sparking imagination and crafting unique pieces. This kit includes about 4,600 clay beads, 500 charms, stretchy strings, and more. You'll have everything at your fingertips to design bracelets, necklaces, and other crafts. It's a complete package for endless creative possibilities. The clay beads are made from premium, safe materials. They are eco-friendly, waterproof, and skin-friendly, so you can wear them every day. This kit is designed to be safe for ages 6 and up. Spend quality time with your kids creating beautiful jewelry. This kit is a great way to keep children engaged and entertained. They will have hours of fun designing and making their own unique accessories. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This clay bead kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity and watch them express their imagination. It's a gift that they'll truly love. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with the beads, please contact us. We promise to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing our product. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started, with a wide variety of beads and charms. The materials are safe and kid-friendly, so you can let your kids create with peace of mind. If you are looking for a kit that offers endless possibilities and encourages creativity, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to make several bracelets. The instructions are easy to follow. The variety of colors and beads is great. Number 4. DDAI Friendship Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. This kit is unique and tons of fun. Step-by-step instructions help children learn different bracelet styles easily. It's a great way to improve their creativity and fine motor skills. This is perfect for girls aged 8 to 10. This is an awesome DIY craft kit, ideal for birthdays, parties, or family game time. It's also great for travel activities or just because gifts. This is the perfect toy for kids aged 7 to 12. Create 16 different patterned bracelets with unique clasps. There are also 30 fashion design stickers to make each bracelet new and different. Girls will definitely love making their own jewelry. Does this bring back memories of your younger days? Share the sweet memories of making friendship bracelets and have fun with your kids. Children can play individually or create bracelets with friends. This bracelet maker kit has a great assortment of colors, different patterns, and lots of cute decorative flowers and beads. Your daughter or granddaughter will be thrilled to receive it as a gift. What we like? This kit provides easy-to-follow instructions, making it simple for kids to create beautiful bracelets. It also includes stickers to personalize the bracelets. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to use and offers a variety of designs, this is the one for you. What people say. Well made and lots of options for assembly. Very exciting and great for creating the crafts with making the bracelets. The variety of threads, beads, and charms kept her engaged for hours. Number 3. GILI Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. This amazing kit is perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. It's a fun and easy way for them to express their creativity and make beautiful bracelets. They will love it. The kit includes everything needed to get started: colorful strings, beads, elastics, and more. With step-by-step instructions, it's easy to learn different knot styles. It's all there. Looking for a unique gift? This bracelet making kit is ideal for birthdays or holidays. It's a thoughtful present that will spark their imagination. They will be so happy. Made with durable, non-toxic materials, this kit is safe for kids. Parents can be confident that every element is safe and fun to use. It's a great choice. Creating and sharing bracelets is a great way to build friendships. This kit encourages social play and helps kids create a stylish symbol of their bond. They will love sharing them. This kit fosters creativity and develops fine motor skills. Completing a handmade bracelet gives kids a sense of achievement and encourages hands-on learning. It's a win-win. What we like. This kit includes a bracelet loom and step-by-step tutorials, making it easy to learn different knot styles. It's designed to foster creativity and fine motor skills. If you like the idea of creating friendship bracelets and building strong bonds, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This kit has everything you need to make friendship bracelets. The instructions are easy to follow. It comes with a variety of colors and patterns. Number 2. Friendship bracelets. These bracelets are a symbol of connection and bond. They are perfect for sharing with friends and loved ones, representing the special relationship you share. Each bracelet is carefully handmade. It's crafted with attention to detail, making it a unique and meaningful gift. With various colors and patterns, you can express yourself. It's a fun and fashionable accessory to wear every day. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is an ideal choice. It's a simple yet heartfelt way to show someone you care. Wearing this bracelet is a reminder of the special bond. It's a beautiful way to celebrate friendship and create lasting memories. What we like. N.A. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to make friendship bracelets. The instructions are easy to follow. It comes with a variety of colorful threads and beads. Number 1. VERTOY Friendship Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. This amazing kit is perfect for girls aged 6 to 12. It includes everything they need to start making beautiful friendship bracelets. It's a fun and rewarding activity. The kit comes with a portable bracelet making tool, threads, braiding rings, closures, stickers, and a design guide. It has all the supplies to get them started right away. They can create unique and stylish bracelets easily. The tool keeps the threads organized. This makes it easy to create bracelets. It allows them to focus on their designs. With this kit, they can make up to 20 bracelets with various knot styles. They can also use the fashion pattern stickers to personalize their creations. The possibilities are endless. These bracelets are perfect for sharing with friends and family. It's a great way to promote positivity and show they care. They can create something special for someone they love. This kit is a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun and engaging activity that allows them to express their creativity. It's perfect for girls who love to create. What we like. This kit includes a portable bracelet making tool, allowing for easy crafting anywhere. It also offers multiple styles and encourages the spread of friendship. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to take on the go and promotes sharing with friends, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This kit has everything you need to make friendship bracelets. The instructions are easy to follow. The variety of colors is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.